Hey everybody, welcome to Studio 64. My name's David. Been searching the interzones for some more science, space and tech news to share with you, and came across this at rt.com. Bitcoin falls below $50,000. Yes, the crash comes amid wider turmoil in the global financial markets. This should be interesting. Again, I have a funny feeling that Bitcoin's going to come out of this. It'll have a bit of a rough trot with everything that's going on in the world at the moment, but it will pick up. Yes, Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has shed more than 10% of its value in one day amid a global stock market crash that has affected the cryptocurrency market, according to trading data. Now, the price of Bitcoin has fallen below $50,000 for the first time since February, hitting a low of $48,126 at 0841 Greenwich Mean Time on Monday. It has recovered slightly since then. Now, in late July, Bitcoin traded at above 62,000, and in March it briefly touched an all-time high of $70,136. I have the distinct feeling that, as I've said in the past, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not saying invest in Bitcoin or anything like that, but this is just a blip. You know, everyone looks at the stock market, it goes up and down, it'll recover, and so will Bitcoin. Now, since Friday, the cryptocurrency market has recorded its most significant sell-off in 3 days in almost a year, Cointelegraph said. Now, as usual, I'll leave the link to the main article below the video so you can pop in, check out these embedded links, so you can do a bit of a deeper dive behind the main article, or check out some of the other articles like Northern Lights appear over Russia. I'll do a video on that. It's actually quite excellent. Yeah, and now the panic selling at Bitcoin and the overall crypto market was sparked by a wider crash in the financial markets amid fears that the US could be heading for a recession. Stock markets went into a meltdown on Monday morning. And see this little link here, Warren Buffett unloads Apple shares. Did a video on that in the channel, check it out. Over 50% of his shares in Apple. And when did he do it? Just before the stock market crash. Yeah, interesting. There's a rabbit hole if you want to go down it. Fascinating, or an apple hole. God, you're a weirdo, David. Yes, now apart from the global stock market rout, the uncertainty regarding the fiscal policy of the US Federal Reserve, Bitcoin's low liquidity and soaring tensions in the Middle East have contributed to the slide, industry experts say. Yeah. Very interesting and also very concerning. But by the same token, I'll make a prediction here, and don't hold me to it. So as I say, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving any financial advice, but keep an eye on Bitcoin. I have a funny feeling that it's going to come back up again quite quickly, and it will be second only to aerospace and defense contractors in its recovery. Yes, isn't it interesting? We're on the verge of World War III, and all of a sudden, all the military-industrial complex shares go, ooh. They go up. Fascinating, isn't it? And I have a funny feeling that, yes, that's dropped down to $48,000 per Bitcoin, but it's going to come back up again quicker than a lot of other stocks. Yeah, fascinating. All right, but as I said, no financial advice. Just out of curiosity, keep an eye on it. Interesting. All right, well, my name is David. Thanks for joining me for another Studio 64 Science, Space and Tech News update. I shall see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're up for it, drop a comment down below the video. I'd love to hear what you think. All right, take care. And as I always say, if you can't be good at it. And as I also always say,
fascinating.